external jugulars over here.
Okay.
I don't want to touch it. This is the anti...
Do you want to lift the muscle?
Hold on, I got to flip the page.
Want me to point?
It's like transverse something, right?
Oh, the pecto antebrachialis is that
Okay.
one. Then underneath it is the pectoralis major. Underneath that, pectoralis minor. Then the deltoids up at the top. And it's, yeah, all that.
There's 3 pieces
Neck,
to
it's
it.
that one, and it's...
Oh, that
on top
paw's
of
right in the
vein.
vein.
No? Yeah, okay, here. The neck, the vein, and this little thing over here. The deltoid.
Right here.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Do we do the other arm for the or the trapezoid?
You might have to speak a little louder because the other sounds are gonna catch.
Trapezius is in the neck, here and here, this flap. Latissimus dorsi is there.
Little lift. Yeah.
Lats, right here. Lats is
Okay.
Yeah. And then we have the triceps. Oh, I'm sorry. Supraspinatus, subscapularis, the rhomboid thing, rhomboids, and then infraspinatus down there, and the spine is in there. I don't want to touch it though.
The spine is right here. Above the
Infraspinatus.
infraspinatus.
And then the trapezoids.
Traps.